This is my Aston Martin Vantage, and it's one of the most beautiful cars ever made, and it makes this noise. And the best part is, it's actually one of the best modern supercar deals that you can get in 2024. Just wait till you see the deal I got on this car. And hey, it might be more obtainable than you think. Before we talk about costs, I just want to talk to you a little bit more about this car and also show you how incredible it is to drive.
This generation of Aston Martin Vantage was first released in 2018. It was a bold step for Aston Martin because they partnered up with Mercedes AMG. At the front is an AMG-built 4-litre V8 engine that produces 503 horsepower and an even more impressive 684 Nm of torque. You may recognise this engine from the W205 C63S, AMG GT, and many other AMGs. This AMG V8 is a tried and tested engine, and it's known to be very reliable, which makes the Vantage a much safer buy over previous Aston Martins when it comes to reliability. It also borrows its electronics from Mercedes.
So here we have the older Mercedes Benz command system.
It's a bit outdated now, but luckily you can have wireless CarPlay fitted, which completely updates the whole infotainment experience, so really it's nothing to worry about. The old Mercedes Command is still a pretty good system though, and Aston Martin have updated it with some lovely graphics of the Vantage. But now with wireless CarPlay, every time I get into the car, it hooks up to my phone and CarPlay just appears on the screen when I press the start button.
If I want the old Aston Martin interface, I just press and hold this back button here. And then if I want to go back to wireless CarPlay, I just press and hold it again, and it updates on the screen. So now that you know all about this car, let me talk you through this lovely 2021 example and what I paid for it. So for this car, I paid just under 90k, which I know is a lot of money for a car, but guys, wait till you hear how much this car cost brand new.
The starting price for the Vantage new is £120,000. Then there's the optional extras. This car has over 20k worth of optional extras, meaning its total cost while new was a whopping £141,740.
If you're interested in the options on this car, make sure you're subscribed because I'm going to be making a full tour video where I go through the spec sheet and go through every single paid option on this car. And guys, I'm going to tell you now, some of these options and the cost of them is absolutely ridiculous. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that video. And hey, we're going to be making tons of epic videos because I love this car.
So buying this car used for 90k, that means I saved a total of £51,000, which is a crazy amount of money.
And it gets even better because this car has only done 13,000 miles, so it's practically brand new. It's still got a year's warranty, and to make things even sweeter, the first 5 years of servicing is completely free and it's transferable to the next owner. So I'm going to get 2 full services for nothing. And I'm not done. Wait till you hear this one. This car was actually cheaper to insure than my Mercedes CLA45s.
Yep, that's right. I managed to insure this 140k supercar for under £800 for the whole year in my 30s.
Now, I'm always honest with you guys when it comes to finance and what I pay for these cars. And a lot of the time, you guys are always surprised by how low my insurance premium is. I think this comes down to 2 major factors. The first one is my age. I'm 36 years old and I've been driving well over 10 years and I've never ever made a claim or never been involved in an accident. And the second one is my postcode. Now, where you live can make a huge difference on how much you pay per month on your insurance. If you live in a postcode with low crime and, well, I want to say a nice area, but to be honest, sometimes a nice area can still have a lot of crime. But for me, I just live in an area where the postcode's great and the insurance companies see it as much lower risk, so the premiums are lower. It never gets old. Now, I know 90k is a lot of money, but for me, it took years and years of hard work and grinding. And I just want to say, guys, anything is possible if you put your mind to it, you find something you enjoy, and you work really, really hard. And I still pinch myself every morning when I see this car, and I appreciate it more than the world. A lot of you might not know this about me, but I actually grew up very poor. I had a single mum and just my brother, and the 3 of us, we didn't have much money. In fact, we didn't even have a car. And when I got to my early 20s, all my friends were putting big deposits down and buying houses, and poor old me, I was paying rent for a flat of my own, and I was also sending money to my mum to pay for her mortgage so she could keep her house. So I've got to say, guys, this means the world to me because it's just something I never thought would ever happen. Sadly, 5 years ago, I lost my mum to dementia, but I will love her forever, and I just know that she would be so proud of me for everything that I've accomplished.
Although we didn't have much money, she was such a wonderful mother, and she showered us with so much love and helped shape me into the person I am today.
Now, in the thumbnail of this video, I said this car could be cheaper than an AMG, and I was not joking. With the current Mercedes prices skyrocketing and things like the new C63 being well over 100k, let's take a look on Auto Trader and see some deals that we can get on used Vantages. So here we are now on Auto Trader looking at Vantages, and you can already see you can pick up a 2019 with 16,000 miles for 72k. That's actually cheaper than buying a brand new C43 with the 4-cylinder engine. Let's take a look. Yeah, this car just looks amazing. And usually they're really high spec'd as well. Oh, I'm not too sure about the interior. That's quite bold. Not for everyone. But if we go back, this is not the only one. I mean, look how many there are here. There's a silver one here which looks lovely. Yeah, look at that. 75k. That is just unreal. I mean, unless you need back seats, of course, why would you buy a brand new AMG when you can have this? It's just unreal. So guys, I hope you understand now why I finally took a chance and took the plunge to buy my dream supercar, because what an amazing deal, and everything you get for that money is just unreal. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, because that really helps me and the channel out, and subscribe for more epic content. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.